Look at it from this side, guys. Doesn't this looks beautiful? To me it does. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I got another video for you. Today we're working again on the 23 GR Corolla. So what we're doing, we're trying to put some ambient light on that car. I have these guys already. I love them. I love the way they look during the night. Beautiful. So now I'm gonna put one right here. I got the cover already. You guys probably saw that maybe on Instagram. So I bought the kit, and I'll put everything in the description down below so you guys can see it. So anyway, a lot of you guys who watch my channel have not subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below, put notification bell on so you don't miss any of my video. Without further ado, let's CarStomIt. All right guys, let's go. So guys, this is the kit. I already opened it up, so let me take it out real quick to show you. So here it is. It comes with long cables. Okay guys, let's unravel the cable now. This cable will get connected under the steering column, so as we get closer to it, I will show you guys how to do it. And you got these long cables. You got one for each side. There's 4, but I'm not gonna use 4. I only need 3. And then you got 4 of the little lights. There you go. But like I said, I only need 3. So let's go guys. All right guys, so to get access to everything, you got to take all this stuff off. First thing you got to do, you got to take this trim behind the radio. It's plastic, so just use your fingernails. There we go. There you go. See, it comes off easily. And then guys, we got to take this off. So to pop this off, there's a couple clips around it, so I'm going to use my trim removal tool to pop it off. It's fairly easy. Okay guys, see, it's out. Then you got to take the cable, the connector off. All right, we got to take this part off too. There's one screw here that holds it. Let's take the screw out first. Boom. All right, screw is out. And then here guys, we got to take this side panel off. So I'm just gonna use my fingernail. It's just clips. There we go. Okay, it's out. So guys, to take this thing off, all you have to do is just pull firmly on it. There we go. There we go. See, the whole thing comes off. Let's put it in the back. The next thing we want to do, let's take this off too guys. It's also clips. You just pull firmly on it and it comes off. Let's unplug it. Okay, then we need to lower this down just a little bit, so we should be able to pry it open with my trim removal tool. Just enough. Okay guys, oh, that's really all I need guys. So I grabbed my my lights guys, one of them. All right, I got one of them here. There you go. So what I'm gonna do before we keep going, I'm gonna put a little bit of tester tape on this first. All right, it's done. So now we should be able to put this in here guys. So here it is guys. You see, you put it in and then you twist it. It should lock in. Hold on. There you go. See guys, right there, it's in. That's all I have to do. Now I can route the cable up a little bit. Okay, so we're just gonna let it hang for now, just like that. Okay guys, so next we're gonna take this thing off. Let me find out where the clips are. Here, boom, boom, boom. Okay, here you go guys, you see it? So my light's gonna go right in this hole here. So grab one of my thing. Let me test or tape this first. All right, it's ready. Here's the panel. This is where it goes. It should clip in right. See? Like it was made for it. Love it. Now guys, we can run this over here. All right guys, so now All right, so this is connected, guys. Should be able to easily route those cables right there. All right, it's connected. We got one of them that goes underneath here, and this other guy go to the passenger side. So let me route this cable now. All right, got it, guys. Whew. Make things difficult for no reason. All right, I'm gonna put a zip tie in here, guys. Hold on. Push this thing down here. Let me go to the driver's side and trying to get the bottom part off. All right, guys, let's take the bottom part over here off too. Okay, you have a screw right on that corner there, guys. Okay, we have another screw here. Yes, there is another one there. All right, now it is out, guys. Let me try to run my wire.
You can sit here.
Okay. All right, guys, we're not gonna go back here anymore. Everything is done on this side. I can pretty much clip this back in. Going back there. Okay, guys, so now figure out what I'm gonna do with this extra wire. Now we can actually connect this. Okay, and line this up. All right, I don't need this extra cable, guys, so I'm actually gonna cut this and get rid of the extra cable. All right, guys, this one is all done. I zip tied the cable, hide it over here all the way underneath, and looks good for me so far. Let me just grab the next light. All I'm doing to it is basically just putting a little tester tape on it. All right, guys, same for this one. It's just a little pop in there and then it should be done. Okay, that's it. Now we're gonna zip tie some of this cable. Route this cable right down here. All right, guys, finally got it in. Took me a little bit, but I got it in. Then we can put the screw. There's a screw here. Okay, there's another one on this corner there. All right, done, guys, done. Okay, guys, so first thing first, we gotta put this air director thingy right there, and then we can pop it into its place. Done. Okay, now next thing is this big old piece, guys. So this big old piece goes up here, line everything up. Easy peasy. And there is one screw right here. Let's put that screw. Done. Now we connect the AC unit. Boom. Feed the cable in here. Now Boom, in there. Then we got this trim we gotta put in there too. Easy. That's it, guys. We gotta put this clip right here, guys, but it's super easy. That's it, guys. For the ambient light, guys, we gotta connect underneath the steering wheel. There's a connector that we need to use. So to get access to that connector, let me show you real quick. It's underneath this guy right here. So the better way to do it, let's turn the steering wheel. So to do that, let's start the car, guys. All right, so properly to get access to it, guys, so there's two screws here. There's one over here. You just turn the steering wheel, and then we can take this guy off. All right, we turn the steering wheel the other way. There's another screw on the same side. On the bottom, see here where my hand is, guys, right here, there's another screw right there. You gotta take this guy off too. They're all Phillips, by the way. All right, got it. Now we should be able to take these apart per se. I might need my trim removal tool, guys. Lower the steering wheel a little bit. This one is not unclipping, guys. Oh, there we go. Gotta be a little rough with it. Okay, see if I can take it out. All right, got it. Goodness. Turn off the car. All right, so I already route my cable through this side, which is right here. So guys, on my car there's a plug right here, right next to the airbag. Do not touch that. So there's a plug right here. It's a black plug. I'm gonna unplug it. You see? Okay, I have already routed my other cable. So this plug now goes into the new one. It goes like, hold on, it goes like this, and then the other end of it goes in here. Flip it around. Oh, there we go. So you see how it is, guys? Okay, I'm gonna have to rearrange this a little better, somewhere in here or something. I don't know yet, but let's just test it, guys. So let's turn on the light. Oh yeah, guys, you see the lights? So it is working. And it's pretty bright. I can't wait to show it to you guys what it looks like at night. My little light here too. Nice. And I got this guy. You can't see it yet, but you will see it at night, guys. So it's working. So there you go, guys. This is my white connector. I routed it underneath here. So this is gonna be probably hanging a little bit over here. I might zip tie it here one more time, but I think it's fine enough. It's gonna be covered, and I don't think it's gonna be making noises. So I'm gonna wrap this a little bit with tape so it doesn't get, make any noise, And then, guys, this is my cable here. It goes all the way up here. It goes on behind this guy, and then it goes to all my, see right here? You probably can't see it right there. It goes to all of my ambient light. So this is pretty much done. Let me put a little bit of tape over here, and then we can put this cover back. All right, guys, this is done. Now we can put this cover back in. It should be fairly easy. Hold on, like that. All right, okay. You just gotta line everything up now. That's it, guys. Now we can put the screw here. Okay, let me start the car so I can get access to the other screw. Okay, done. Okay, last screw you gotta put in is this guy right here at an angle. Okay guys, that's done. Alright guys, I wanted to show you what the lights look like at night. Guys, I loved it. I love it. I got a couple more buttons to look for. As you can see, this doesn't exactly match, but I'm still looking for this button. I love this blue. I mean, look at my feet, guys. Look at my feet. I love this. And look at right here too. I love this blue, guys, and trust me, it's not as blue as it look on the camera. I just love the blue. Look at that. I got found these buttons. Looks beautiful. This button too. This button, guys, I mean, I love it. Look at it from this side, guys. Doesn't this look beautiful? To me, it does. I definitely like it a whole lot. What do you guys think? Alright guys, so that's what it looked like at night. Got a couple more buttons to go, but we'll see what happens. Alright guys, the ambient light in the GR Corolla is all done. It looks really good. Anyway guys, this is all done. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Tell me what you think in the comment down below. Besides that, that's it. Thanks for watching. Peace.